You're about to feel the pain of dropping a headliner. What's your first impression?
I didn't know there were so many wires up in here.
That right there?
Yeah.
Yeah, don't worry about breaking anything. They made 5,000 of these. I'm sure we'll find parts. No problem.
No problem. Look, no hands.
These have never been off. That's good. Oh my god. Where's the pick? Got it. There. There's my Wera screwdriver. Oh. Wera makes the best torque screwdrivers. Please sponsor me, send me some. It's hard to video doing an interior. There's just like no room. This should one more piece on the side. Oh, one of these clips fell out. I'll have to fish for it. Shoots. Do not drop in. Got it. And I can just go on the seat. All right. Next. Just for safety, keep the magnet in there. This one, do not know where it will fall.
Oh yeah.
I'll take those out. Put them back in. Okay.
Yeah, it's just chewed up this side of it.
Alright. I got it.
There's leaves up there.
Is there? Oh, yeah, sunroof, right? Sweet. Oh, hey, this whole thing is a lot of work.
I don't know how you get it to go on smooth again.
Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna see how to take these off. It'd be easier to put back in without these there, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh yeah, this is gonna be not easy.
Why do you say that?
Because it like kind of shrunk.
Yeah. I think it's just a matter of getting it perfectly straight.
Yeah, like pull it off and start from there.
Oh God.
Okay. So, see I got the headliner in the back here. We kind of gave up on trying to glue it ourselves. It was not working very well. Let's see, it's still coming off. Yeah, it's falling apart as we were putting it back in, so I'm gonna take it to a professional shop to get it done from them. And yeah, see you in a couple weeks. Rupert, what do you think of all this stuff? You done doing a headliner as well? Yeah. I don't want to do one either. But here's all the stuff out. If you guys got any questions, post them in the comments of a part that you're having trouble with, and should be able to help you. Battery tray. When I pulled the headliner out, I didn't take these C-pillar panels off. It has them laying down, but for reinstalling, I'm gonna have them off. Be much easier. Just clips here. Take this out. Jeez, cat. You okay? But yeah, take this off. Screw back here. Clip comes off. They just pull out. One screw in here behind the hook for this panel. So yeah, now to get the headliner back and reinstall. Ready to reinstall, kitty? take that as a no. Oh, it looks shitty. You could see my shadow in it. So soft.
Get the edging and stuff. 'Cause that's the best part that they put enough material on. And we could not stretch it far enough to.
Yeah, there was nothing to pull out.
Magnetizer. Oh, please wear a sponsor me. Look how many tools of yours I have. So let's do this real time. Holy crap. Put it on here, twist it. How strong is it? Do I have any screws really? Oh, there we go. Now we won't drop any bolts while reinstalling the headliner.
In theory.
Where do you keep it though? Right here? I'm doing the final bolt. Last bolt. Woo! What do you think? One little issue right here. Trying to get that fixed up. Overall, pretty happy.